for 10 years, your MOGRT previews look like this. And now they can look like this. Because we made MotionLens, the plugin that Adobe forgot about for 10 years, and it's 100% free. MOGRTs, or motion graphics templates, were introduced in April 2017 in version 14.2 of Adobe After Effects and version 11.02 of Premiere Pro. MOGRTs let you edit and reuse After Effects projects conveniently inside Premiere. This is incredibly helpful, and MOGRTs are widely used today for intro animations, lower thirds, transitions, corporate toolkits, any motion graphics that you want to use frequently and customize. Inside Premiere Pro, you can view the thumbnails and videos that were baked into your MOGRTs for easy visual search. But this functionality was never built into the native Finder, and this oversight has plagued video editors for a fucking decade. You open up the Finder and you see this blank, generic thumbnail. The silly thing is, MOGRTs already come with image and video previews baked in. Video previews were added in the February 2024 release of After Effects. So we did the hard work that Adobe forgot about and brought you MotionLens. MotionLens adds MOGRT thumbnails to the Finder, Spotlight, and Open dialogues on Mac. You can hit spacebar to see useful metadata, like the minimum required After Effects and Premiere Pro version number, the internal MOGRT name, any required fonts in the template, the locale language for Premiere Pro, so if it's English or Japanese, if it has extra assets, and even if the template will trigger dynamic link. And this last one is really cool because dynamic link is triggered by a few different things, primarily third-party plugins and 3D compositions. And if dynamic link is triggered, you know the MOGRT will be slow. And up top, we have the thumbnail or video preview. You can see all this info at a glance without ever opening After Effects or Premiere Pro. You don't even need an Adobe subscription to preview the MOGRTs. And if you want to open the MOGRT in After Effects, you can hit the Extract button and crack that bad boy wide open. MotionLens is for anyone who uses MOGRTs, and I'm so happy to release this small utility to everyone for free. You can download it today at motionlens.captioneer.com. And if you like this tool and want to support the work we do, go check out Captioneer. It's a powerful caption plugin that works in both Premiere Pro and After Effects. It comes with beautiful MOGRT presets, dozens of languages, and is loved by both beginners and video pros. We update the transcription engine constantly, and it is more accurate now than ever before. You can learn more at captioneer.com. Thank you for watching, and catch you in the next one.